Kandror Bridge in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. So the Kandror Bridge is built in 1965 over to the Satluj River. It's connected to district Bilaspur to Hamirpur. It's also connected the people of Umarmi and Hamirpur to the capital of Himachal Pradesh to Shimla. So the length of this bridge is 280 meters and the height is 80 meters.
So hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Sandel. I'm a professional mountain guide. I do the mountain climbing and expedition and trekking as well in Indian Himalayas. I explore so many places around the world, around the India as well. I explore Uttarakhand, Himachal and Sikkim as well. But due to the pandemic I cannot go somewhere, so I started to explore my own place, the district Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh. So today I come here to a place called Kandror. It's very near to my home place, so I start to explore this place. So I came here for the camping. Lots of people will ask me where will you go for the camping nowadays due to the pandemic. So I explore, I start making videos, I'm making vlogs to explore and finding the hidden gems of Himachal Pradesh and of Bilaspur district. So this is the first place. Right behind you will see the Kandror Bridge. There was a time it was the first highest bridge of Asia and the river is Satluj. There are so many things to know about the bridge and about the river. I will show you everything. So let's start camping in here. Okay. So here I find a place for the camping. Let's start pitching a tent. Yes. So here is our tent is ready for camping. Let's have an inside view. Yes. So here is a tent. This I will put everything inside. My camera, my bag. Okay. So let's start making something nice. It's also very hot now. It's almost 28 degrees Celsius in here. One more thing I want to add is that this place is not for those who want to do the night camping, because this area is very near to the river, so there are also be chances of mishappening. So the government will also not allow. So you do one thing, you can come in the morning like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, the good wind and cold, or maybe in the evening, that's a good time. So now have some music with the river. So let's start making Maggie. Maggie has been ready, and this is with the view and the camping and the Maggie. And okay, as I already told you, the purpose of making this video is to told you that there are so many places around us. There are so many places and hidden gems and hidden things, hidden culture around us. So let's explore the things. I know due to the pandemic no one can go to the hill station, and lots of people from Bilaspur will go to the camping for Manali, for Dharamshala, maybe for Ladakh or Sikkim and Spiti as well. But there are so many places to explore near your places, and this place is 3 kilometers from my home, and this is the first time I came here for the camping. And just crossing through there, I thought this is the best place for the camping, and let the people will know you can do the camping, go for the outdoor nearby your places. But note one thing that I already mentioned before, that this place is not for the people who want to do the camping in the night, because you cannot do the camping. It's very near to the Satluj river. There is lots of chances for the mishappening. There will be flood and something, maybe something will happen. So it's good you will come in the morning, maybe in the evening. And one more thing, and do subscribe the channel. This is the first video that I'm going to make, and maybe many more. Maybe next places, I'm just trying to finding some new places, and the next place will maybe the Rukmani Kund. It's a very famous place. And do send some comments how the video will make, how can improve. I will improve the quality of the video, improve the sound quality and something else. And also do mention the places, hidden places around your hometown, that so we'll explore together. You can also join me. I still have the space for 3 people. When come and join me in the tent, we can explore the places. We go for the Bandla Hills, maybe from Barmana side or maybe somewhere else. I have some places in Harlok, and it's called Bhyanu Temple or maybe something else. So okay, and thank you. I will enjoy my Maggie. You will enjoy the view and some photographs. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe.